Hey, hello, and welcome to Ambition Success. My name is SK, and you are watching chapter #Ways to Online, where we show you how you can transform your online presence into business tool and save cost and time. We also show you how you can create Google G Suite website without hosting, without AMC and design charges. Friends, in today's video, I will show you how you can create professional logo, and this will be part of my business branding video series. I will recommend this video and suggest you to watch because the design I will start from Microsoft Paint. That means you need not to have any professional software such as CorelDRAW and Illustrator, but I will also include them in this video at the end to show you how you can enhance them. But we'll start with Microsoft Paint, which I believe most of all are having in our system. As always, we will not start by definition, but will directly jump into production. But few things which we should know so that our end results are focused or the outcome is as per intention. And those things are, what is logo? Logo is a symbol or a graphic which organizations adopts to identify themselves or their product. It's one of the most important element of any business branding, and you should have a logo before you start thinking about your business card or conceptualizing colors of your letterhead pad. This logo need not to be same throughout your life. It can be changed and it should be changed because nowadays we don't use logo in letterhead or in business card, but we use in Facebook, in YouTube, in WhatsApp and all platforms which are evolving day to day. So your logo should also be transformed considering those things. So overall we can say that there are a few characteristics which we should consider before designing a logo, and those are: your logo should be simple but distinctive. Your logo should be memorable. When it is simple and distinctive, obviously it will be memorable. Then your logo should be scalable. Suppose you need to increase the size or decrease the size, you need to add something, you need to reduce or delete something from your logo. Your logo should be designed in such a way so that you can do all those things. And adaptability. Adaptability here, I mean, whether you can use that in various platforms or not, whether you can use that in your t-shirt, your uniform, or on your cap or not, apart from utilizing in online platforms. So these things I am considering as adaptability. Apart from that, your logo should be relevant. For example, you are in software business, but your logo has some food item, and it is not helping customer to connect between your operation and the graphics which you have provided in your logo. So it should be similar and it should be global or universal. For example, suppose in West Bengal I have started a business, and when I started, I used the name of my business, which is a Bengali name, as a logo. So the text is in Bengali language. So that will not be helpful for a person from China or Japan or who don't know Bengali. So it may create some problems. So at the very beginning, you should consider these things before starting designing your logo. And color is also very important. So let's jump to my desktop and see what I am about to show you today. So here is example of Microsoft logo. As I have mentioned before, you need not to stick to your logo for a long time. As we can see that Microsoft has changed their logo at least 6 times. When I am showing this example, I would like to highlight this part of Microsoft's logo. Here it is window. So when you see Google's logo, Google also changed his logo. For example, here. So it was something like that. Then they changed the logo text, as well as they have created this graphic. So this thing nowadays in a trend, apart from a logo, beside there are something which companies are creating considering requirement in various platforms, which I am about to show you in a minute. So it's not that you need to have a logo, but a sub logo also very important in today's scenario. Don't worry, though I am showing this in graphic designing software, but I will start from Paint. So stick to that. Now I will show you Ambition Success's logo. So this is second logo of Ambition Success. Earlier logo was different, and you can see that I have something apart from the entire organization name, which is Ambition Success. Now, while you were designing your logo, you also try to keep the name inside the logo. It is very important because only graphic is something which may not give you return out of that logo. So it is my recommendation, and also you can check various successful organizations, in their logo they use their name. Your logo should have text as well as graphics. Text should have your company name or abbreviation. Now I have also changed my logo, and when I will show you that logo, I will also discuss what made me to change that, and it will help you to gain some knowledge and design your logo beforehand, considering how that may be utilized after some time or in various platforms. So when this was my logo, I was having some problem to utilize in various platforms where they provide you a space which is circle. For example, if you see Facebook, for example here, now here they are allowing a circle. So I was having problem because my logo was a square, so the corners were not visible. So I had to think something so that I can use that later in various platforms, in various shapes and sizes. So I changed my logo, and when I changed my logo, I gave emphasis on text. So next time when I created my logo, I had emphasized on the full name of my business. So I came up with this. Now I thought, why not utilize this design to convey my website name also. So as you know that when it is website, people will try to put .com at the end, but mine is .co.in. Now I will show you how my logo evolved from that square shape to this circular shape, and I will start from Microsoft Paint. So first I will show you how many types of design I had experimented before arriving here. So when I started with black color and in Paint like this. So I had just written Ambition Success, and as from the very beginning it was in my mind that I will use my subdomain also inside my logo. So when I first created, it came like that. Then I was looking for some improvement, and then I have again updated the design. Now I will show you those things. So then I changed the color based on my brand color, and also what I had done, if you see here, then the length was very big because I have placed ambition and success side by side, and beside also these areas were not used properly. So I have done this. So I brought success word beneath ambition and then change the color. It looked like this. Then again I have done so many things. Then I finally came to this. Here I would like to mention two things. Like when you are designing your logo and the size is constrained, then you may use some designing techniques to utilize or optimize the space which you have. For example, if you see here, can you see this TITI is reverse? I'm telling you the secret behind that. What I have done here, I have used M and created these three letters the way I'll show now. So what I had done, I had used this M to create these three things the way I'll show here now. Like this, I had selected, I had placed here like this. Then what I had done, I had deleted this. These are space saving techniques. So if I go back, so this, you can see this. So this I have done like that. So to do the T, so then I have done like that. So it became T, like this T. Then for I had taken this and I have done this. Now this is ready. Then success, I had taken the same font which is Century Gothic and I had written success. But if you see my logo, I had only placed for one C, so I had deleted this. So what I will do, I will write here itself, here, you can see. So like that I have done this. Now what about this E, extended E? I have done this. So likewise, I have designed this. You can see in Paint itself. Then I have tested with various colors, and then I have also included at the primary stage .co.in here, but later on I moved to this, and ultimately my design came like this. So friends, this was the technique which I had used to create my logo in Microsoft Paint. So I hope friends you like this video. I will create another part of this video. So if you want to see that, then kindly follow our channel. If you have not subscribed it yet, please subscribe. It will not only help you to get our another video notification, but also help us by providing some motivation, which is very important for all of us. I have another video series which I have just finished called Business Management. Go to my channel youtube.com/ambition success. You will find playlist. Under playlist you will find Business Management. First refer to that which will provide you basic information before starting a new business. Then I will suggest come to this branding, and this branding video series will continue for some time, and then I will move to another video series. I hope you liked it. At the end, I would like to mention, if there is will, there is ways to online. Thanks for sharing, thanks for watching, and thanks for being with us. Bye-bye. Take care.